Have you ever wondered how to do something so mundane that it actually becomes difficult? You have come to the right place. This is How To with Michael. Hello, and welcome to episode 2 of How To with Michael. Today, we will be learning how to play ping pong at a decent enough level to where you can compete with the guy at your community center. Now, first things first before we start, you're gonna want a table. Playing on a dining room table is not fun. It just bounces off to a random side. But if you have a ping pong table like this, if it's smaller than regulation or regulation, it's better than a dining room table because it doesn't bounce right or left. Step 2, find someone to play with. I got my dad. Not only because I have no friends, but because he can probably beat everyone in the school. Now, when we play ping pong, you do want someone. That's why I have him. But you can't play alone unless you can break the speed barrier and the speed of light. Now, I'm assuming that half of the school can't do that. But if you can, then I guess go at it. Step 2, learn the rules. Now, when I play, I follow every rule in the handbook. I mean, they're simple rules, not hard to figure out, except for one, and I hate this one. It's the one where you have to toss the ping pong ball way above your head to serve. See, I just like throwing it up barely and hitting it. So that's how I always play. But throwing it up like this, and see, it can bounce off my ceiling. That's why I don't use it, and it's very tough. So you can use that rule if you like, but all the other rules are simple, so I would suggest. Step 3, learn how to put spin on the ball. Now, spinning the ball when it's not a serve is very difficult because you gotta have it bounce the right way and you have to spin it, and it's too difficult. So I don't necessarily spin it when I'm just after a serve, but on a serve, I do spin it. Because on a serve, if you spin it, even if it hits the table and it doesn't bounce a weird way, once it hits that paddle, it'll bounce over there. And you can't even do anything against that because when you hit it, you just be like, woo! And obviously, you don't want that because you want to be better than the community center dude. Now, step 4, just go out and play. Now, for table tennis, it can be easy to get frustrated. So, my advice, don't. Here I go. Dang it!